Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito says he will not recuse himself from cases involving the 2020 presidential election or January 6th. ABC's Terry Moran explains the pictures that surfaced of two flags with political overtones flying outside his homes.
This morning, Justice Samuel Alito is rejecting a request from congressional Democrats to recuse himself in two cases related to January 6th. The conservative justice had been under pressure to step aside from both cases after the New York Times first reported that two flags flown outside his residences were associated with those carried by the pro-Trump mob during the attack on the Capitol and are symbols adopted by the Stop the Steal movement. The Times first reported that an upside-down American flag, traditionally a signal of dire emergency, was seen outside Alito's Virginia home in January 2021, in the days after the attack on the Capitol.
What he did was really the wrong thing to do, and it casts some doubt on impartiality.
In a letter to lawmakers who were calling for his recusal, Alito insists he had nothing whatsoever to do with the flying of that flag and that his wife Martha Ann had raised it during a very nasty neighborhood dispute. Alito adding he was not even aware of the upside-down flag until it was called to my attention and that he asked his wife to take it down, but for several days she refused. My wife is fond of flying flags. I am not, Alito wrote, and he defended her freedom of speech. My wife is a private citizen, and she possesses the same First Amendment rights as every other American. The second flag, a pine tree flag with the words "An Appeal to Heaven," a Revolutionary War-era flag that was also carried by some pro-Trump rioters on January 6th, was seen flying at the Alito's New Jersey beach home last summer. Alito wrote that flag was simply one of many flags of sports teams, colleges, countries the couple has visited that were flown there, adding that Martha Ann makes her own decisions, and I honor her right to do so.